Bianca with CraftyGirlsCricut.com, and today I have a wonderful tutorial for you. Today we are going to make this beautiful rustic home decor sign. Now this is completely customizable. You can change this to welcome or home or whatever name you would like up here at the top. And then I just have this beautiful stag outline. Now this tin sheet I got from Walmart for $5. And then I am using a metallic vinyl. I'll leave a link to both of these in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Space open, and now we're gonna head over here to projects. We are going to come over here. Now I'm logged into my account, but if you were searching, you would just go to the link I sent you. I have a link in the description box below to this design template. So all you'll have to do, you can see I have all of my previous pictures here for all the different sign angles, so you can see what it looks like. I've got my description, what you need, as well as the steps. Then you're going to select customize so that you can make sure that you customize it. You can put whatever you'd like. I've got this here as a placeholder, so you can type welcome, or if you have a last name you would like, you can put whatever you'd like here. I left that easily customizable for you. And then when you go to click make it, before you do that, once you've personalized this, you're going to click and drag to select both layers, and you're going to attach. So I'm going to right click and go to attach. As you can see, that's black now, and when I click make it, it's going to make it all on one map. So there you have it. Now make sure that you size this to the size you need based on what you're putting it on. So you may have a bigger sign or a smaller sign. Just make sure that it's what you need. Then you're going to click continue, and once it's connected to your machine, you're going to select whatever material you're using. I'm using vinyl, so I would select vinyl, and then you're going to select load your mat and then select go. You enjoyed making this beautiful sign. If you have any other ideas of home decor items you would like to see, please leave them in the description below. I would be happy to make some new videos for you. Until next time, thank you for watching.